believe they're eating all this stuff. Look, that guy is stirring his coffee with a pickle. They're even drinking toilet water, just like you said they would.
No, Ginger, I said people would probably drink toilet water if they thought it was cool.
That's not what I heard. Ginger, did you serve anyone toilet water?
Maybe he forgot to wash his hands.